guys, it's me again, Taiwo. Welcome to my channel. So today I am just going to speed through this video. I've got 3 kids, so that means I've got 3 baskets to fill this Easter. I did this for my kids last year and they had lots of fun. I think it's something parents should try and do more of during Easter time. Get some fun basic things into a bucket or a basket, or a kind of a container. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. And the first one, just in case you can hear any sound, that's my little one. Just in case. So I will be showing you Gideon's one first. Gideon is 7 years old. However, he will be 8 years old this month. Well, not this month, in April, which is just in like a couple of days time, in about 2 weeks time anyway. So it's got some basic things in there. My kids are not really into chocolates. We're not fan of chocolates in this house, so I already know that there's no point for me to just buy loads of chocolate. However, they do like the Haribo gummy bears, and a couple of them in their bucket. I got this bucket from £1 shop. The ones I got them last year was mainly made for Easter. However, it didn't even last. Like, I think within a couple of days it broke off, and I just decided, you know what, I'm not going to pick any of those things. And another thing is, because it's Easter time, they just sell Easter baskets, and those Easter baskets are cheaply made and they break easily. So I got this one from £1 store, like I said, from the gardening department. I saw it and I thought, why not just go for this bucket. It's got 2 hands that they can carry, and it's rubber, like it's bendable, it's very flexible. It looks like something that would last compared to the last one that I got. I don't know if the color is Eastery, like yellow and things like that, but it works for me. So anyway, for Gideon, I will show you the things in Gideon's basket right now. So I got him this, it's Easter, a kind of egg in his basket anyway. So I got him this, so he's going to open that to get something secret that is in there. So he got one of those. Gideon is, he loves science. He's getting into that stage where he wants to look at things and mix things together and things like that. And I did medical and pharmacological science, and I have my lab goggles that I wear sometimes when I'm like mixing my things on my hair, because I do a lot of DIYs in the house as well. And Gideon likes the goggles, so I found this as well. So I got him his one that he can also wear, like a little scientist. So I got that from £1 shop, and it was just £1. This is a luggage tag, and I just got him this so that he can attach it to his school bag. I got something like this for his sister as well. Is this thing going down here? For his sister as well. So this one is an aeroplane. I know kids would love things like this. Gideon loves attaching things to his bag a lot. So that's why I picked one of those for him, and I got that from £1 shop as well. I got him this basic domino game. It's in that stage as well. He's 8 years old nearly, and it's in that stage where they are quite curious. They want to get into their transition into that matured stage. So I feel like all the toys that I have to pick up for him has to be reasonable and not too childish. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so I got him that one as well. And this bowling set, it's a basic bowling set. I really love this one. I feel like it's something that we can join in and have fun with him together with as a family. So yeah, he's got one of those as well. Gideon also loves Lego. He loves building and building things, so I got him one of these as well. It is one of those action figures things that he can break and build up again. So yeah, I got him that as well. And it's summer nearly, so just a bubble blower thing, so he's got that as well. And to be some form of book in a Easter basket, that's my own take anyway. So I got him one of these. It's in key stage 2, and it's just a book for reading and writing English. So Gideon has got loads of maths books, like maths things that you can work with. So I thought, you know what, we actually need to start getting him some English books as well. So yeah, so and that as well. And last but not the least, I got him one of these as well. I don't know if this is something, you know, some parents would pick up for their child, but I thought, you know, why not? So because I saw it at the £1 shop, and I thought, you know what, let me just pick one of these, because it's at that stage as well where it's trying to master is 4 times table, from 4 times table, 7 times table, 9 times table. So I thought, you know what, this would be nice in his room. So I got him that as well. I got him this as well. He loves PJ Masks, so I got him one of the action figures as well. And that's everything really. Then there's tissue in there and sweeties. Moving on to the next one. Now I have my daughter's one, my little princess. So she's the only girl, and you know, she's Olive is into exercise and crafty things, and sometimes she likes working in the kitchen as well. So anyway, I decided to get her one of these because we are visiting the butterfly farm soon, but it will be during this Easter holiday, and she's been saying that she would like to wear a butterfly. So, and she also wants butterfly in her hair. Anyway, I found this in the £1 shop, and I thought, you know, this is actually a perfect time to get her one of these. So I got her one of that from the pound shop, and this is just another tag for bag, just like the one I got Gideon, but that one is a crab one. That's the only one that I could find that can, you know, that is okay for a girl, because the other one was like a pirate, and the aeroplane one, and this one, and I just wanted to pick something different for her, so that's why I went for that one. Wow. And she's also got a bubble wand as well. I picked this up for Olive because this is just a swim ring that you can blow up. Olive at the moment and Gideon are doing swimming lessons, and they've got belts, swimming belts that they share between each other because they don't swim at the same time. But I thought, you know what, if we actually want to go swimming as a family, you know, one of them will need to use the swimming belt, and another one will have to get a floater for either Olive or Gideon. And I thought, okay, Gideon might use the belt and Olive would need a floater. So this is just a basic a float ring. I actually found this in £1 shop, and I thought, you know what, why not pick it up? So I picked that one up for Olive as well. And Oliver has also got an egg, an Easter egg, like it's Easter, yeah. But the only thing is a straw. I don't know if it's in, you know, if it's in vogue right now, but I picked that up for her. It's got something in there that she can, you know, a surprise egg as well. And I picked this up for Olive as well. I mean, Olive is 4 years old and she needs things like this, doesn't she? You know, things that will help them learn. So I got this, and I've actually just noticed that it's a magnetic one, so she can stick it on the fridge if she wants to as well. And I got Olive one of these things that she can play with. It's a speed ball game, so well, you need two people to play with this anyway, so she can always play with this with her brother. And I got Olive our own ice cream scoop. I've got a scoop in the house anyway that is quite big for Olive, and I thought, you know what, it's okay for Gideon, but it's quite big it's too big for Olive. So when I saw this today, I thought, yeah, I'd better get her our one scoop that she can use when we're baking, because I actually like using the scoop when I am baking to scoop my mixture into the baking paper. So yeah, I got that for Olive as well. And I am sorry if I am whispering, it's because my kids are in bed and I don't want them coming downstairs because I know that once they hear that I'm making a video, they will be down here within seconds. So I really hope you guys can hear me. And I also got Olive this bubble camera. I think that is really cute. She will love this. I know she would enjoy playing with this as well. Because Olive has got Erb's palsy on her left arm is a little bit weaker than the other than the right hand. And when she's using her bubble mix, when she's holding on to the one with the water, she usually pours the liquid on the floor because she can't really, like I said, you know, it's weaker than her left hand. So I just saw this and I thought, you know what, she wouldn't have to hold this with her left hand anyway. So yeah, I'm sure this will come in handy for Olive, you know, during the summer, blowing her own bubbles with a camera. Yeah, you know, another book for Olive. This is just a first word book. you know, things to help her learn. He's got stickers for reward, things to help her learn her letters, and she's also got sweeties as well. And I got this for Olive as well. So she got 2. This is things that will help her learn her letters and what letters are for, and then how to differentiate between big and small letter. My final bucket is for my 9-month-old, which is Elijah. For Elijah, because he is only a baby, we are trying not to get him toys that will overstimulate him, because sometimes when you give babies toys that are too loud and things that will just get them, you know, shouting and screaming and get them overstimulated, it's not very good for babies, and it will just ruin like your own life as well as parents. So I thought, you know what, I'll just go for natural toys and soft play toys that won't be too hard for him, and you know, things that will just help him figure out how to walk and play with items. So most of the things are from £1 shop and IKEA. So I got this from IKEA, and I think this is a really cute. I think I got this for £2.50. It's a rattling toy, and it is 2. It's 2 cards. One is grey and one is orange, and I think it's really cute. So I got him one of those. I got him another rattling toy that I love. Look at this mouse. I think it's a mouse, but I think it looks really cute. It doesn't say if it's a mice, but anyway, it's a rattling toy, and I think that's really cute. I got that from IKEA for £2. I know this tag is really long. I don't know why they would make such a long tag for baby toys, but I think I will be snapping them away. I'll definitely be cutting them away. And then I got Elijah a book as well. So I got him one of this book from £1 shop. It's got this wriggly eye that I think is very cute, that will definitely gain Elijah's attention. I think it's just a very cute book. It's for babies anyway, because it's one of those art ones that you know is for babies. So I got him that as well. And I got him this rattling toy from, well, it's a key, it's a baby rattle, and I think, yeah, it's a baby rattle really. And it says from 3 months, so he's able to play with this kind of toy. I got this one from £1 shop, and I got him this xylophone. Elijah at the moment loves knocking things together, so when I saw this, I thought this is actually a great idea. It's very cute. It's tiny, so it can, you know, figure out the sounds. And I got him this natural toy, natural food or fruits thing from IKEA. I got this for £7. It's got about 12 toys in there. I think about 10 soft toys in there. It's got carrots, banana, it's got tomato, mushroom. I think Elijah would definitely love playing with this. I actually really love this as well. So I got him one of those, and I got him this soft ball from IKEA. I think I got this for £1.50. I'm not sure. I think that's the price. So that's basically it, guys. That's all the toys that I got from IKEA this Easter. I hope this video has been helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.